Okay, so isa itong window type aircon na ang brand is Kondura brand. Ang problema nito is gumagana yung fan motor kaso hindi lumalamig. So most probably yung compressor hindi gumagana. So this is 2.5 horsepower non-inverter Windows type aircon. Okay. So check muna natin yung voltahe o yung source of power. Set natin yung meter sa 250 volts ACB. So as you can see, yung voltahe is 225 volts. So meaning to say normal yung source of power po dito. Okay, so this time check muna natin yung capacitor. Okay, so ito yung capacitor ng compressor. Tapos ito naman yung compressor. So usually meron po tayong tatlong wires for the common, running, and starting. Okay, so check natin yung resistance ng compressor. As you can see, yun, nag-short circuit yung mga wirings dito sa compressor. Yun, sunog, oh. Ito, oh. Isa naputol na. Mga carbon deposit. Yan yung isa, nag-short sa kabilang terminal. So this is not already safe to use yung compressor na to. As much as possible, palitan na ng bago yung compressor. So okay, that's it. So thank you for watching.